Hello friends, I am an artist. I use colors, draw pictures. I am a carpenter. I use a saw. I make furniture. I am a farmer. I use a plow. I grow crops. I am a vegetables vendor. I sell fresh vegetables. I sell organic vegetables too. Thank you.
Reading and writing word chart. Help, lemon, Q, use, oxygen, eyes, medicine, riddle, umbrella, yawn, juice, news, sack,
village,
grace, 10, omkar, tell, white, madhav,
knee,
pencil, wall,
walk, akshay.
Reading and writing word chart. Bat, can, are, ball, same, fat, man, jar, call, come, cat, fan, car, tall, face, mat, map, farm, small, name, pet, cup, farm, far, all, get. Thank you.
Reading and writing word chat. 10, 12, 11, 8, he.
Hen,
Tell, engine, let, be, thing, bell, bat, me, we, pen, cell, egg, cat, me, when, call, either, sit, she. Thank you. Ready word chart. Hook, do, come, up, bull, cook, soup,
zoo,
zoo, sun, cup, pool, book, moon, hut,
front,
hut, fool, hut,
tuk,
noon.